guys, a quick video that I've been asked constantly is massage, breast massage, preferably prior to breastfeeding or prior to hand expression or pumping. And so I'm not an expert in terms of massaging because I don't tend to massage very often because my milk comes out very quickly. I've been breastfeeding for 5 years. It's not really something that I really need to do. I'll just show you basically around here and under the armpit, that is the area that you want to massage the most from here, and you're pushing from under your arm. I can't really do it in this top. You want to massage from under the armpit and towards the nipple, so from the armpit towards the nipple. So you can just do this and just keep massaging like this, and then you can just like generally massage like this, and this just loosens up all of those milk ducts, and you can feel it's a bit like, you know, feeling your boobs for like lumps and stuff, which is obviously really, really important. So just like massaging them around like this and just loosening everything up, and just like get acquainted with your boob. Don't be like you know, feel uncomfortable about, you know, examining your own boobs. You really need to like be comfortable with this. If you're gonna massage your boobs, you know, you really need to be comfortable with it. So yeah, so just massaging like this, mainly from under the armpits, because that's where they start, right up here. And like I said, normally you do this topless, but I'm not doing it topless right now. And then yeah, you can just choose whichever boob that you're going to start. You can, you know, express from both at the same time, so I'm keep adjusting it, keeps changing. And you need to get like a cup shaped in your hands, and you need to get from like under the areolae to above the areolae, and you need to like get as much breast tissue as you can, and just start to squeeze like this. As you can see, the milk is already coming from this boob, and just keep squeezing like this, and that one is starting to, it should come out quite easily. I haven't really got a towel or anything, so yeah, try and get like a C shape movement in your hands and just start to squeeze, and you should see, so I'll try and come in closer, you should see like milk coming out. You could do with a towel or something to catch, I just have a tissue here at the minute, a towel or something to catch this in, and like come a bit closer. See the milk coming out, and then like eventually, if you keep up, squeezing like that, eventually it will start coming out very, very fast. So I don't really have anything to catch it in, but people have asked like you know, how fast does breast milk actually come out of the breast, and like how, like, because recently I've been squirting my baby in the eye. Yes, Bethany, I've been squirting Bethany in the eyes with my breast milk in order to cure her conjunctivitis. So I will try and hopefully get that on camera. So I'm getting soaked. Okay. I can hear my children, they might be coming back in a minute, so. Oh.
You're peeing on me.
Sorry. I don't know if you can see from the side. Oh. Okay guys, I'm getting soaked, so I'm going to leave it at that for now. It's my kids. I will see you guys later. Bye guys.